Ya, bravo. Y ahora, qué desastre. ¿Ah? ¿Qué desastre es este, Leila? Te echaste toda la leche encima. Dios mío. Ya. Quítate la camisa. Okay, now I just have the idea to add some rising. We don't want here, right, Leila? No in this recipe. Look your face. Tienes la cara sucia. No me queda rising. Let's add some rising. ¿Sí? Un poquito. Ok. Toma. Perfecto. Okay. Next step is let's take this and add some butter, right? This. Con cuidadito, Leila, ¿ok? Sí. And then little, what is it? Here. Flour. Okay. And we ¿Quieres más rising? Sí. Okay. Perfecto. Ahora, ya va, que creo que faltó un poquitito aquí.
Mira.
¿Qué pasó?
Mira.
Sí, eso es rising, eso es pasitas.
Cosita.
Pasitas, sí. Okay. Let's put this here. And I'm gonna mix a little more with this. Okay. Perfecto. And let's put here. Sorry, Leila. Let's put it here when you see. Perfecto. And now we can take it to the oven. Okay. Ready, Leila? No, ya no más. No more. Okay, now let's take it to the oven and then I'm gonna show you. Right, Leila? Vamos. Vamos, Leila. Okay. Ready to put inside of the oven? Leila, go away. Thank you. Perfect. Let's wait. I just took it from the oven and now it looks like this. I'm gonna wait until it is cold because it's so hot right now, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna cook it, I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and so let's wait a little more.